Hello everyone! Welcome to today's video where we'll dive into a detailed technical analysis of ONDS Holdings Incorporated, ticker ONDS, listed on NASDAQ. We'll cover everything from the overall trend to price volume dynamics, moving averages, key technical indicators, linear regression, next trading day opening predictions, support and resistance levels, ATR-based intraday price ranges, potential scenarios, and a volatility assessment. This analysis is based on data from June 2024 to May 2025. Let's get started. Chart increasing general overview and trend ONDS has exhibited significant volatility over the analyzed period, with prices fluctuating between a low of $0.554 on July 2nd, 2024, and a high of $1.2997 on July 23rd, 2024. The stock closed at $1.22 on May 30th, 2025, reflecting a strong recovery from its mid-2024 lows. The long-term trend, as indicated by the 200-day simple moving average, SMA_200, at $1.016, remains bullish, with the current price above this level. However, the short-term trend shows consolidation, with the stock oscillating between 75 cents and $1.23 in recent months, suggesting a phase of accumulation after a sharp rally in late July 2024. The price-volume relationship. The price-volume dynamics provide critical insights into market participation. On May 30th, 2025, ONDS closed at $1.22 with a volume of 17.6 million shares, one of the highest in the dataset, indicating strong buying interest at higher price levels. Similarly, on May 19, 2025, a volume spike of 12.9 million shares accompanied a close at $0.9794, signaling accumulation during a breakout. Conversely, lower volumes during price declines, such as 102,779 shares on July 2, 2024 at 55 cents, suggest reduced selling pressure at lower levels. The recent high volume at $1.22 indicates that institutional or retail investors are actively positioning, supporting the bullish outlook. Moving averages help gauge trend strength and direction. The 5-day simple moving average, SMA_5, stands at $1.0458, and the 5-day exponential moving average, EMA_5, is at $1.0761, both below the current price of $1.22, indicating strong short-term bullish momentum. The 10-day SMA, $0.9855, and EMA, $1.0047, also trail the price, reinforcing this momentum. In the medium term, the 20-day SMA, $0.8966, and EMA, $0.9396, are significantly lower, highlighting the recent upward surge. Long-term averages, including the 50-day SMA, $0.875, and 200-day SMA, $1.016, confirm the stock's bullish posture, though the price is now testing higher resistance zones after breaking above these levels. Technical indicators. Let's break down the key technical indicators to assess momentum, trend, volatility, and volume. Momentum indicators. The 14-day Relative Strength Index, RSI_14, is at 72.29, close to overbought territory, greater than 70, suggesting strong bullish momentum but also a potential for a pullback if overextended. Williams percent R, -2.13, is in the overbought zone, reinforcing the possibility of short-term consolidation. The Money Flow Index, MFI_14, at 82.06 indicates robust buying pressure, aligning with the high volume at recent highs. Trend indicators. The MACD is at 0.0623, above the signal line, 0.0269, with a positive histogram, 0.0354, confirming bullish momentum. The Average Directional Index, ADX_14, at 19.06, suggests a weak trend strength, indicating the current rally may lack sustained directional conviction without further catalysts. Volatility indicators. Bollinger Bands show the upper band at $1.1326, middle band, 20-day SMA, at $0.8966, and lower band at $0.6605. The current price, $1.22, is above the upper band, signaling overextension and potential for mean reversion toward the middle band. Volume indicators. The Chicken oscillator at 11.54 million reflects strong accumulation, consistent with high volumes on up days. The on-balance volume, OBV, at 27.15 million has risen sharply, confirming that volume supports the price increase. Linear regression analysis. The 14-day trend slope forecast, TSF_14, is at $1.1034, below the current price of $1.22, suggesting the stock is trading above its short-term linear trend. The regression slope indicates a positive trend with an average daily increase of approximately 1 cent over the past 14 days. This implies a bullish short-term outlook, but the deviation above the trendline warns of potential consolidation or a minor pullback to align with the regression mean. Next trading day opening prediction based on the closing price of $1.22, short-term moving averages. SMA_5, $1.0458, EMA_5, $1.0761. And technical indicators. ONDS is likely to open between $1.18 and $1.25 on the next trading day. The RSI_14's near overbought level and high volume suggest sustained buying interest, but the overbought Williams percent R and Bollinger Band positioning indicate a possible modest pullback at the open. A strong catalyst or continued volume could push the opening higher. Support and resistance analysis. The current price of $1.22 is near a key resistance zone. Immediate resistance lies at $1.23, recent high on May 30th, 2025, and $1.2997, July 23rd, 2024 high. A break above $1.23 could target $1.30, a psychological and historical resistance. Support levels are at $1.07, recent consolidation level, and 5-day EMA, $0.8966, 20-day SMA, and $0.875, 50-day SMA. The price is 11.7% above the nearest support, $1.07, and only 0.8% below the nearest resistance, $1.23, indicating a critical juncture. High volume and bullish indicators suggest potential for a breakout, but overbought conditions warrant caution. Intraday ATR-based price range. The 14-day average true range, ATR_14, is $0.1092, reflecting the stock's daily price volatility. Starting from the closing price of $1.22, the expected intraday range for the next trading day is approximately $1.1108 low to $1.3292 high. Given the overbought signals, the price may test the lower end of this range if profit-taking occurs, though strong volume could push it toward the upper bound. Potential scenarios here are 3 plausible scenarios for ONDS. Bullish breakout. If ONDS breaks above $1.23 with high volume, greater than 10 million shares, it could rally toward $1.30 or higher, supported by the bullish MACD and RSI. This scenario is likely if positive news or market sentiment drives momentum. Consolidation. The stock may trade sideways between $1.07 and $1.23 as overbought indicators, RSI, Williams percent R, and the Bollinger Band overextension suggest a pause. This is the most likely scenario without a clear catalyst. Pullback. A decline toward $1.07 or $0.8966 could occur if selling pressure increases, particularly if volume drops. The Chicken oscillator's strength reduces the likelihood of a sharp sell-off, but overbought conditions make this possible. Volatility assessment. The ATR_14 of $0.1092 indicates moderate volatility, suitable for day traders seeking intraday opportunities. The 14-day beta of 0.4144 suggests ONDS is less volatile than the broader market, making it appealing for risk-averse investors. However, the stock's recent surge and high RSI highlight short-term volatility risks, particularly if momentum fades. For swing traders, the bullish trend offers upside potential, but position sizing should account for potential pullbacks. To conclusion, ONDS is in a bullish phase, supported by strong volume, bullish moving averages, and positive technical indicators. The stock's position above key long-term averages and recent high-volume breakouts signal accumulation, but overbought conditions and proximity to resistance at $1.23 suggest caution. Traders should monitor the $1.07 to $1.23 range for breakout or consolidation signals, with $0.8966 as a key support on pullbacks. The next trading day's ATR range, $1.1108 to $1.3292, offers opportunities for intraday strategies. Stay tuned for updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more market insights. Bar chart rocket.